You want to know how to invest in the stock market? It's not that complicated. Since 2008 to March of 2022, the stock market has gone up, and it is because of quantitative easing. This is the policy that Ben Bernanke implemented while he was at the Federal Reserve during the financial crisis. It created liquidity in the system and kept it going. But they kept on putting more money in the system because the economy was slow around 2010. And then they just kept on putting more and more money. And that's why the stock market went up and even went up higher during the pandemic. Well, March 2022 comes around and the stock market starts to go down. Why? Because the Federal Reserve started to reduce their balance sheet, taking money out of the system and raising the federal funds rates. Trade the market based on that indicator, and chances are you'll do pretty well.